Welcome back, students. I'm Manali Sade, and in the last lecture, we learned some heading points of e-commerce trade cycle. Now we are going to uh, learn each topic or each phases of trade cycle in detail. So, first phase is pre-sale. It consists of two steps like search and negotiate. Customers search for a required website for a product to be purchased. In a negotiate step, customers find a supplier who offers goods quality product at a cheaper price, and then consumer agree the terms followed by supplier. So in the pre-sale stage, it consists of two stages. First one is search and second one is negotiate. So in the first phase, the customer first searches the product he want on the website. Then he searches for the cheaper price for the same product. If the product is same and some other vendors are sell the same product on a different price, then customer will negotiate and get the cheaper price for the same product. This is the pre-sale phase. The next phase is execution. In this phase consists of order and delivery. This phase consists of order and delivery. Customer sends an order for the selected product, and after processing the order, customer receives the delivery of the product. Now in the execution stage, or execution phase, the customer after the pre-sale, the customer is decided what to buy. Then after a negotiation gets completed, then what customer will do? The customer will order the product from the particular website, and after the order placed, the seller of the product gets that order, and he send it to the it sends to their delivery, sends the email or information to the delivery section, and then the delivery section will deliver the product to the customer. So these are two steps comes in the execution phase, that is order and delivery. The third phase is settlement. This phase consists of invoice, if any, and a payment. Invoice and payment. Invoice means customer will receive a bill for a purchased product, and after confirmation of the received product, customer will pay the same. So in the settlement phase, invoice and payment are the two steps. For invoice, what is the meaning of invoice? Customer will receive a bill of the purchased product, and after the confirmation of the payment, then customer will pay for that product. So this comes under the settlement section. And the last phase is after sale phase. In this phase, the phase consists of warranty and after sale services. In a warranty period, customer will get all the maintenance services for free or at a minimum cost. After sale service means customer will do complaints, if any, about the performance of the product and get maintenance service from the supplier. So, after sale maintenance and service, if any, is provided by the vendor of that product or that service. So all the maintenance, all the servicing is done by the vendor or the businessman. The services provided are given to the consumer after selling the product. So these are the phases of e-commerce trade cycle. Next is, so these are the phases of a trade cycle: pre-scale, execution, and pre-scale, execution, settlement, and after sale. In the pre-scale, we comes with the two phases: search and negotiate. Then in the execution, there comes the two phases: order and delivery. And in the settlement, invoice and payment, and after sales, sales and services. So next is modes of payment. What are the modes of payment in the e-commerce? So there are some modes of payments in the e-commerce. First one is credit card, second one is mobile payment, third one is bank transfer, and fourth one is e-wallet. So let's get learn each mode of payment in the detail. The first one is credit cards. Credit cards are the most common way for customer to pay online. Merchants can reach out to an international market with credit cards by integrating a payment gateway into their business. So most of the online users or online businessmen are uses the credit card for the online payment. Next mode of a payment is mobile payment. Mobile payments offers a quick solution for the customers to purchase on an e-commerce website. Mobile payments are also commonly used on donation portals, browser games, and social media networks such as dating sites where the customer can pay by scanning a barcode on an app on a mobile. So the examples of apps like Veeam, UPI, Paytm, Google Pay, PayPal, etc. are the examples of mobile payments. The consumer can pay through their mobile without using any other transaction methods. The next one is bank transfer. Bank transfer is used when the money is sent from one bank account to another bank account. Transferring money from bank account is usually fast and safer than withdrawing and paying in a cash because every transaction will be authenticated by checking customers' banking credentials. For example, NEFT or IMPS transactions, etc. IMPS and NEFT. Uh, we usually use NEFT transactions for IMPS transactions uh, for the mode of a payment of the online or consumer services or online e-commerce services. So last mode of a payment is e-wallet. E-wallet is a type of electronic card which is used for transaction mode online through a computer or a smartphone. So e-wallet is a type of electronic card which is used for transaction made online through a computer or a smartphone. E-wallet is a type of prepaid account in which a user can store money for any future online transaction. It is a kind of wallet or an online wallet. An e-wallet is protected with a password. For example, State Bank Buddy or Paytm wallet. So user can already place some money in this wallet and use whenever they want to do a transaction online. They can use the e-wallet option, so the transaction is going smoothly and fast. So these are the modes of payment of e-commerce. First one is credit card. You can pay through the credit card. Second one is mobile payment. So you can pay by your mobile. Third one is bank transfer. That is NEFT or IMPS. So you can pay or transfer from bank to bank. And e-wallet. You can store some money into e-wallet and then pay whenever you want to pay to a particular site. So these are the modes of payment. Next topic is forms of e-commerce. There are some forms of e-commerce. First one is mobile commerce, that is m-commerce, and second one is social commerce. So let's get mobile commerce. M-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services through wireless handheld devices such as smartphone and tablet. As a form of e-commerce, m-commerce enables users to access online shopping platform without needing to use a desktop computer. Some of the applications of m-commerce are mobile banking, ticket booking, e-bill payment, online auctions, stock marketing and trading. So these are the examples of m-commerce or mobile commerce. In this mobile commerce, we can uh, buy or say buy some products or book some tickets or do some payments using our mobile without using laptop or desktop. The second form of e-commerce is social commerce. Social commerce is a form of electronic commerce that involves social media, online media that supports social interaction. It enables shoppers to get advice from the trusted individuals, find goods and services, and then purchase them. The social network that spreads is advice have been found to increase the customer's trust in one retailer over the another. Social commerce is the use of internet or in it is a use of networking website such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as a vehicle to promote or sell the products and services. So in the social commerce, we use our social websites like Facebook, Instagram or Twitter to sell the product and services. The success of a social commerce companion is measured by the degree to which consumers interact with the company's marketing through retweets, likes and share. Now, how we can counter success of that online selling through a social media. So it is counted by viewing, likes, retweets and shares made by the consumers. So it is counted with these retweets, likes and shares. So these are the two forms of e-commerce, m-commerce and social commerce. Next is e-commerce technology. Electronic commerce draws on technologies such as mobile commerce or electronic fund transfer or supply chain management or internet marketing or online transaction processing or electronic data interchange, that is EDI, or inventory management systems and automated data collection systems. So these are the systems on which these are the technologies on which e-commerce is drawn. Let's see one of the common e-commerce technology, that is electronic data interchange. So what is EDI? EDI is the electronic interchange of a business information using a standardized format, a process which allows one company to send the information to another company electronically rather than on a paper. Business entities conducting business electronically are called trading partners. Many business documents can be exchanged using EDI. To most common documents are purchase order and invoices. It is computer to computer interchange of strictly formatted documents via telecommunications or physically transported on the electronic storage media. So this is EDI. It is the process of sending information from one company to another company or from one business to another business over the internet. So in this lecture, we learn about modes of payments, then modes of payments that includes credit card, mobile payments, bank transfer, etc., and forms of e-commerce, that is m-commerce, and social commerce and e-commerce technologies. In the next lecture, we are going to start new topic, that is e-governance. What is e-governance? And we'll study in detail e-governance advantages and what are the types of e-governance. Thank you.